welcome to this farthest loop jump knockout competition. So the rules are simple. 2 cars go head to head, race around this loop, jump over this ramp, and whoever goes the farthest goes through to the next round. Ooh, and I have a special surprise for you all. Did you bring cake? No. Oh, it's never cake. It's better than cake. Look. Huh? Oh, wow, you're right. Yep, I found this Mash'em. If anyone bumps into it while racing, you win it and can open it.
Ooh, a Batman Mash'em. I'll win that. Not if I can help it.
Ooh, and can you guess who today's judge is? I know who it is. It's Mater. No. What? Yes, it is. It's not Mater. Yes, it is. I helped you invite him. No. Ooh, here he comes.
Hi, folks. Sorry I'm late.
See? It is Mater. No, it's Green Mater.
Green Mater? Oh no, I'm green again? How did that happen?
Okay. So everyone, get into your vehicles.
And let's begin. Blue versus Patrick up first.
Ready, go!
Oh no, Patrick flipped upside down and didn't make the jump. So it's an easy win for Blue. Although she's nowhere near the Mash'em.
You'll have to do a lot better than that to win the Mash'em.
Now it's Fix-It Funding versus the Joker.
Ready, go!
Again, they haven't gone very far, but the Joker is ahead, so goes through. Thomas versus King Leonard.
Ready, go!
Oh wow, King Leonard went really far and was so close to winning the Mash'em. Well done, you go through. Mickey Mouse versus McQueen.
Ready, go!
Oh no, McQueen didn't go very far at all, so Mickey goes through. Doctor Strange versus Wildcat.
Ready, go!
Well, that was rubbish. Doctor Strange landed back in the launcher, so I guess Wildcat wins. Hold on! Look, Wildcat didn't fit in the launcher properly. It was his fault the race was rubbish, so I'm sending Doctor Strange through instead. Elsa versus Batman.
Ready, go!
That was a great jump by Elsa. Well done. Oh, but I want the Mash'em.
Sorry, Batman, but you're out.
Haha, I can still win the Mash'em because I'm still in the competition. Dory versus Catboy.
Ready, go!
Both of them jumped quite far, but Catboy jumped farther, so is into the next round. And Buzz versus Optimus Prime.
Ready, go!
Only Buzz made the jump, so he goes through. So these cars won that round.
Who can win again? And will anyone win the Mash'em?
Blue versus the Joker.
Ready, go!
Ooh, that's close. Looks like the Joker's ahead though, so goes through. King Leonard versus Mickey Mouse.
Ready, go!
Another 2 fantastic jumps, but the winner is King Leonard. Doctor Strange versus Elsa.
Ready, go!
Ooh, Elsa was so close to winning the Mash'em. And you jump farther than Doctor Strange, so go through to the next round too. And Catboy versus Buzz.
Ready, go!
There's a clear winner in this race, and it's Catboy. Well done. So these are our final 4.
Who will reach the final?
The Joker versus King Leonard.
Ready, go!
Fantastic jumps. It's close. But the Joker's ahead. Well done, Joker. You're our first finalist. And Elsa versus Catboy.
Ready, go!
Oh no, Elsa didn't go very far at all. So Catboy is the other finalist. So, this is it. The final.
Between the Joker and Catboy. One race, one winner.
But who will it be?
Ready, go!
Whoa, look how far the Joker jumped. Does this mean I win the Mash'em?
No, because you didn't bump into it. But the winner of the whole competition is the Joker! Well done!